what up guys, gonna be vlogging off my phone for a little bit. Got the new Master. Put it in. My dad was working on it already while I was at work, so he put that in. He said the fluid came out. We bought the kit. You used the kit, right, Daddy? It worked? The kit, it worked? To bleed it? Yeah. I used it. Did the bench press to bleed the Master. Put the whole thing of brake fluid. I had to loosen up the bottom bolt. That's taking out the top bolt. That do the same for the other side. And then, yeah, just let the brakes bleed out. All right, found the brake line wrench. Got it cracked loose. Wanted to make sure it's cracked loose and the stock line didn't move. I know I gotta change the stock line, but right now, yeah, if it ain't broke, I ain't changing it. But I'm gonna change it down the road, but right now, main objective is to get this car rolling. All right, so I mean, I skipped a lot of parts, but both rear lines are on. They were already dripping from the back. My dad was already letting them bleed out from the back, just leaving the bleeder valve open so all the fluid could come out. So if any air comes out, so we're just checking right now. The right front fluid's coming out. The left side, the left side on this side, fluid came out or no? Fluid came out from this side or no? Oh, well, yeah, air came out, so we should be building the pressure. It had no fluid, so keep going. Probably just give you guys like a quick update video another day. We're trying to just do this like super fast, because you can see it looks brighter than what it is, but it's night time outside, and so we're just trying to do this real quick. Also, guys, I also wanted to let you guys know that now we have I believe it's called Super Thanks. Yeah, so like if you guys like the video and want to donate to the channel or enjoy the video and want to, you know, give a tip or donation just for appreciation or whatever, it's a new mode that a lot of content creators now got, and I actually got one. And yeah, I might as well put it to use, because you normally don't even ask people for anything ever, like ever but I have like all these new, like I guess you can call like little new things like on all these platforms, and I don't put them to use. So might as well, you know, just let you guys know that if you do appreciate the channel, appreciate the video, it's called, I'm pretty sure it's a Super Thanks. Yeah, called Super Thanks. You guys can just donate there and it goes to the channel, whatever, and obviously that'll go back into the car. So just wanted to let you guys know that, because I obviously was gonna forget, and see everybody else is using it, so might as well put it to use, right? So anything you guys do for the channel, it's on each video, so every video you'll see it like next to where it says like, comment, whatever, you'll see it right there. So yeah, so I'll greatly appreciate it. All right guys, so it's the next day. Car still jacked up in the air real quick, so we're gonna go over what happened. All the lines are good. I was stepping on the brakes yesterday, which I'm probably gonna have to bleed them again a little bit. It might be fine, but might have to turn the car on so it could like actually like build pressure, or might have to bleed it a little bit more, which I think we're gonna have to probably bleed it a little bit more. I'm not sure, but yesterday when I did this and I will hold my foot there, the pedal will just keep going down. So come to find out, what that was just this line right here was loose. So I didn't know. I didn't realize, well, me and my dad didn't realize that this line was a little bit loose. So it's good now. No more leak. I made sure that line was tight. This one is tight. And for the most part, like I said, we should be good. I don't see it leaking anymore. This one was a little bit loose. It was leaking also, not leaking anymore from what I can see. I'm not even gonna put the wheels on just to like make sure. So the brakes feel a little different, but feel a little squishy. Yeah, I haven't pressed the brakes on this car in so long, so I don't remember exactly how far it goes. And again, I did steel braid line, so it's gonna feel obviously different now from like the stock line and stuff. So, but I don't know. Look how far it goes. I feel like that might be normal. I don't know. But I might just end up bleeding it again, to be honest with my dad. Yeah. And just have a, I guess, look over it. And then probably just end up bleeding it one more time. But yeah, that's it. And then this was the old Master. Look at, shit is stuck in there. It's literally stuck in there. That's why it wasn't working. It was time to change anyways. Look how old this was. So this literally was the issue right here. All right, so I'm gonna go inside. I just tightened up the oil plug, because seems like it's dripping oil again right there. Don't know why, but it tightened up a little bit more. The thing is, I haven't tightened that oil pan in so long that I honestly don't remember. I don't remember like how much you need to tighten it, because I didn't want to go too much, but it still was able to tighten. I didn't like over tighten it. I hope, because I was still able to tighten it a little bit more. But yeah, but so far so good. I just gotta mess with like the hood and the alignment and stuff. I haven't been able to do any of that. Again, the car's not done. There's no intercooler, so all that needs work. I gotta get like a grill, and then I also have to cut this out here. So when you cut these two parts out, it clears this right here. On it, because it's 98 front end, that's a 2000. So when you cut that, it clears it and it'll fit a little bit more flush. So yeah, I'm gonna honestly put the car cover on, and then that's about it. I still have to bleed the brakes, because I'm guessing since it was a little bit open, it caught air and it wasn't able to build pressure the right way. So I still gotta bleed the brakes again. I'm gonna bleed a little bit more, because again, it's still more squishy, but the pedal's not going all the way down no more, so that's good. So I'm just gonna bleed it, probably the backs. And yeah, look how filthy this car is, dude. This shit is so, I'm not worried about it. It's gonna get a nice good wash, and then I'm gonna order one of these again, brand new from the dealership, and just go from there. Also got to get a battery tied down. The one I got there is it's not working, so I gotta try to get something to work for the battery tie down, because it's not working. I have the regular K2 one for like a battery, but obviously this is not a battery, so it's just a little bit lower, and the battery is a little bit higher. So the rod is way longer and way higher than the catch can. So I can't even like hold it down. So I'm gonna try to look right now online, see if I can find like a custom one or something like that, and then yeah, just go from there. So I'm gonna go inside and just call it a day. What up, guys? It's a few days later. Fortunately, I'm in the Bronx, but I'm here to pick up the up pipe that I need for my car. Shout out to Ben. Shout out to my dude Joel. They're the ones that are gonna be doing the fabrication on the racing. They're gonna be doing the whole fabrication of the car, intercooler piping, exhaust, dump tube, hood exit, everything. They're gonna be doing everything. Not right now, obviously, when the car's done. But obviously need an up pipe to be able to drop the car, to be able to tune everything, because obviously you need an exhaust. The idle is different. We have an exhaust on and everything, and I need exhaust because I'm not trying to spit no gas and all that black shit all over the engine bay. So they're literally letting me use a up pipe, because I'm gonna give it back to them. Anyways, once I finish obviously using it, I'm gonna give it back to them. So right now I'm just meeting him right now to get the up pipe from him, and then I'm just gonna go back home. It was a super far drive, but needed to get it done regardless, because I really need it. So see this shit? This is the shit you see in the Bronx. What the fuck is this? All right, so here's the clamp. I mean, here's the up pipe. Nothing crazy. He has some extra piping. Put the O2 bung on there that I needed. I gotta get a V-band clamp. For this, I gotta go to Full Throttle, get a V-band clamp for that, and then one for the wastegate. But this is something simple. This is just extra metal he had. He welded the V-band clamp on it for me. So obviously, let's say is this the turbo? Just put on the turbo, and it goes up now. Obviously, I need this to do the dyno. To do the base map, because the idle's different from this. Just gonna throw the regular O2 bung right here. Obviously, because I need that also. Something simple just to take on and off, because I'm literally gonna put this on to the base map. Drive it, break the motor in, and come back to them to do auto fabrication, and they're just gonna take this back. This is just a pipe that they just made for me, so shout out to them. These dudes always hooking me up, and I can't wait to take my car and do all the work. Look at those welds. Ooh-wee. All right, now another, I don't even know, hour drive back home. All right, guys, so I'm here at the house. It's a tad bit bigger, like a tiny bit bigger, but they said it'll still be able to clamp down. And again, this is not the original pipe. This is just for me to this is just for me to do the base map with, obviously, so it can idle better, breaking the motor. Obviously I gotta take the hood off, but yeah, so literally a little bit bigger, like all around that much, but the V-band clamp should still be able to clamp it down. And yeah, that's not the original. Obviously, when I take the car to them, they're gonna measure everything, make sure everything is good. But yeah, so I'm just gonna order the V-band clamp, get that clamp down, and obviously I still need to take the turbo off to do that, to do the little tap that I need to do on here for the vacuum that goes from there to the boost solenoid. But yeah, and yeah, that's about it. I'm gonna put it, leave it inside the car. I'm gonna bleed the brakes tomorrow with my dad. Well, Sunday with my dad, and then she should be able to move freely. I need that for the base map to do the break-in of the heat cycle. Let it do the heat cycle, dump out the oil, put in new oil, and then do a base map, obviously driving. So yeah, it's been a long week or whatever. I know I have uploaded, but it's been a lot going on. So thank you guys again for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Hope to enjoy. Peace out.